everybody. This is STEMazing Future Leader Lisa Nielsen here with the Sciencing and Engineering video series. Get ready to notice and wonder with me as we explore one of nature's mysteries. The other day I was on a hike near my house and I came across a tree with something strange in it. Let's look at it together. For this activity, all you'll need is a paper and a pencil. You can pause the video here and get what you need. Then resume when you get back. In a moment, I'm going to show you a picture. Look very closely and think about what are you noticing? Pause the video to write down your ideas. Take all the time you need. Press play when you're ready to continue. Did you see those white things? Now take a closer look. What do you notice? Pause again and write down your ideas. Nice work. Now, I'm going to show you these pictures again, but this time I want you to think, what are you wondering? What questions come to mind when you look at these pictures? Pause the video and write down your questions. Press play when you're ready to continue. Welcome back. Hopefully you noticed some pretty interesting things. So what's next? Take your wonderings and your burning questions and investigate. Research, test, and figure out the answers. For more sciencing and engineering videos, go to stemazing.org. Well, that's all for me right now. Keep looking for more phenomenon in the world around you. Bye!